Welcome everybody. This is Waves of Profit, stock option day trading explained, and we're going to show you some examples of how you could be making 10% in just a few minutes with options. I'm Scott Patton, and joining us as usual is Alan Maxwell. Hey Alan, how you doing?
I'm doing awesome, man, and you?
I'm doing well. So what happened today?
Well, today was a little bit of an odd day in the market, and the great thing is the tools help us figure all that stuff out. It's not like we have to, oh my goodness, I'm confused. And I'm just going to give you a quick little overview. This is the previous few days. That's 2 days before. This is yesterday. But right here, most of the stocks gapped up, means that the price opened up way up there, and then they started running down. And this is one of our classic strategies in dealing with gaps. Anyways, that's why we bought the puts on this baby right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and buy that so you can see what it looks like. So I hit the buy button so it tracks our profit.
What stock is this?
This is XOP is the code. And so we're using the replay, which is exactly like real, except you can move around in time a little bit faster or slower. So you can see it's filling the gap, and looks like it's pausing a little bit. We make our 10% in 3 minutes. And
Wow.
so we say, thank you. Now, it did go further, but my rule on 10%, it's there for a reason, is because it works. Almost always, so we like that. So that was XOP. The next one that we looked at was Apple, and that happened at 9:50. So I'm just going to take us there. Here is 9:50. So again, we're moving forward more quickly, and this one I liked. I won't get into all the reasons why, but we're just going to hit the buy put button, and you're going to see what happens. So 9:50, and they're at 6%. We're almost there, 9%, and then at 10:01, or even sooner, you can get out. So I got out here at 9:59. And we made about 12%. And the last one we're going to talk about today happened a little later in the day, and that was HAR. I'm just going to take you to that piece of time, and it was right there that it was like, yep, I like that one. And so we're going to buy the put button, and we're going to go forward. Now this one took a little longer. It took 11 minutes. We like to make it in 10 minutes, but you know, as you can see, it was right there at 9% and hovering, and then finally 10% at 11:01. So it took us 11 minutes. And here's the summary: 9.8, 9.9, 13%. Anything close to 10 is good for me.
That's right. If you can make 10% on your money every day that you trade, or say 4 out of 5 days a week, not bad at the end of the year, is it?
Yeah, no, it's awesome. And you should be able to do it at least 6 out of 7 trading days.
There you go. Cool. So really good odds. You got to know the system. You got to know what you're doing. You got to know where the opportunity presents itself. And there's 5,500 stocks that you end up having to weed through. But we look after all that at wavesofprofit.com. Let us know if you want to know more information. Be happy to share it with you. Now, if I was listening to my stockbroker and I bought these stocks at some point in time, what would my results be at the end of the day? Now we're talking, of course, a full trading day, not just 10 minutes.
Well, if you actually bought the stocks, and we're not going to talk about shorting. Now, here's a lot of statistical stuff that you don't need to have, but it's available for those that like it. Right here, here's HAR. You would have lost 2.4%. And where was XOPs on the list here somewhere? Where are you? Down at the bottom, you would have lost 3.7%. And the other one that we traded was Apple, So Apple, you lost 1.7% since the market opened today.
Right. So if you had bought these a month ago and you were hanging on to them, you wouldn't have been too happy today. On the other hand, those of us that know about option trading, we're delighted because we made our 10%. In a few minutes, we're able to get on with the rest of our day.
Yeah, because you know what, this is, you can tell by all the red here that this particular day, January 15th, the market was falling down. It was actually trending down. And so a lot of people that are buy and hold stockholders would have lost a little bit of their footing.
Right. Cool. Thank you very much, Alan, for sharing this. Really appreciate it. This is Waves of Profit saying happy trading, everybody. Remember, when you're a day trader, you sleep well at night, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.